Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to which issue 93 of building the Enterprise-D. In this issue we're going to be doing another panel, obviously, with escape pods. And doing a little bit more with the base of the battle section that we put little windows in last time. We're going to be putting the lights on it this time. So we've got 2 lights, each with 2 on, and we're going to be using both of them, but only using half of them, if you know what I mean. We're putting the yellow side, not the red side. The yellow sides, the 2 yellow ones, are going onto here with 3 BP screws. That's why I've got the BP screws ready. This is going over there like so, and we've got the 2 spaces for the bulbs to go. So that one's going to go under there. You've got the little plugs. I haven't got the plug on there. That must be just connected up underneath. So that one's going to go in there when that goes on there like that. Doesn't really lock in place, so we're going to have to hold that in place with a screw while we're doing it, I think. So let's get a screw in there. I'm going to go down here. No, I'm not, apparently. I think I will. Maybe. No, not quite lined up. Let's try this one up here. I see that that one's about lined up. Very strange. Normally, all of these previously have sort of locked in place, but this one hasn't. Try that one. Moving around too much. Right, there we go. That's that. There. Why have we got 4 screw holes and it only says to use 3 screws? Oh, no, it does say 4 screws. I just missed one completely. So let's get that rotated so that matches in there. Get that there. I'm not going to tighten that down yet because I need to put the other screw in place anyway. Then we can get that again lined up. Hopefully it will be locked in place by the time we've got all the screws done. That one in there next to it. I need to find another screw to go in there as well. That is, yeah, going in there, right. So let's get the other yellow one under here. I'm pretty sure it doesn't actually matter what colour you use because they're obviously all connected to the same place. So that's going to go in there. What's in there? And then I pulled it back out again. So that in there. Right, I'll get all these tightened up and get another screw ready for that as well. Then I shall build up this with the escape pods and then put the bracket on over the top and that bit on the front. And then we'll see about attaching that to the saucer section. Right, so there we go. That's that in place. Now, this top one doesn't have a little pin to hold it in place, so the bulb will actually slide out quite easily, even though I've tightened down those fully. So I shall be aware of that and make sure it doesn't escape while I'm doing things. But that's that for now at the moment. I think we're doing more of that next time. I have fitted the escape panels to that. I've got the extra one there and the 2 screws that will hold it together in a moment. It's holding it together, obviously, as ever. On here, we're continuing our way around with the outside bit lining up, bayoneting in. Got bits to go over, bits to go under, sort of twisting and pushing a bit like that, and we'll see this screw will fit in there. It does. It fits in. It fits in lovely. No forcing or wobbling required. That looks good to me. A little bit up on this side, but that's because I haven't put this screw in yet, I think. Or maybe I haven't got that lined up properly. Let's see if that screw's going to go in. Yeah, that's twisting that panel into place quite nicely. So that's that. I'll get that one tightened up as well. And then we can pop in final escape cover. Say final for now. And that is that panel in place. So that's it for this issue. Next time we're doing the other one of those and playing around with more bits on the battle section. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.